Hi, welcome to Mommas and Mannies. I'm your host, Trina. This is a short form podcast for mamas that are looking for a quick burst of me time. As always, before we get started, go ahead and hit that like button and share this with another mama that is looking for some summer fun self-care ideas. Let's go ahead and start the episode off with our motivational quote. The quote is, "When all else fails, take a vacation." That quote is from Betty Williams. Again, it says, "When all else fails, take a vacation." That is a great summary of summer, especially if you have the flexibility on a job, or if you can take like a long weekend, maybe take Friday off or Monday off and create a long weekend. Take a short 1 day or 2 day vacation just to mix up things. That's one of the great parts of summer, especially when you have kids. They don't have any school, so you can leave early Friday, come back late on Sunday. Nobody has to get up and go to school. That makes everything better. Also, leave a comment. Let us know, are you participating in the days? Which days have you done? On my social media, I am putting up the days. I'm putting up the whole week, so you can just pick one or two you can do. Let us know. I would love to hear it. But guess what time it is? It's mama time. This week, the first few days of the week, we're going to do days 15 to 17. So day 15 is Monday, 16 Tuesday, 17 is Wednesday. These all sound exciting. I can't wait to see which ones you're going to do. Day 15 is set up a lemonade stand. If you live in a neighborhood where this is feasible, definitely you can set up a lemonade stand with your kids. I don't know how it'll look. Somebody can be creative. You can set up a lemonade stand just yourself. Or if you want to skip this one because it may be a little bit too much work, is it really self-care? I don't know. What you can do if you want to make it strictly self-care, go get you some lemonade from your favorite place. I know Chick-fil-A, I think, has dragon fruit lemonade, I guess, or tea or something like that. Pick your favorite place that has a yummy drink that you like, lemonade, tea. Go take advantage of that. That's a great way to remix day 15. It is officially set up a lemonade stand, but if you don't want to do that, if that's not summer fun self-care to you, go ahead and go get your favorite lemonade. Day 16, go to a splash pad. This one is great. It makes a lot of sense. If you have your kids, this is a great one, especially if you have kind of more of like an intimate splash pad. You can kind of sit back, watch your kids have a good time, especially if you have smaller kids. They love splash pads. Even older kids, like 5 to 10, they still love them. If you have kids older than that, you may want to do like a pool or something like that. If you just want to take advantage of this by yourself, find a great pool that you can visit, or if you're on vacation, go to the pool by yourself, enjoy yourself, maybe when it's a downtime, like early in the morning, later, right before sundown. Enjoy yourself. Do a splash pad, do a pool, just depend on what you're feeling like. Day 17, have a family game night. I think this is always a great one because it really breaks up the same routine that you're doing. Pick a day where you can do a few games. If you don't have any board games, that's fine. Maybe you can do like some digital games. They have a lot of apps where you can play games on your phone. You can always do, what is this game called? Where you draw the picture. I cannot think of the name of the game. We played it a few years ago. But you can do that. You really don't need like an official game set up for that. You can kind of just pick stuff, make a few cards. You can get really creative. Of course, your usuals, Uno, Phase 10, stuff like that, all type of card games. This is a really great one to have a family game night. If you want to invite some other friends over that have kids, that's even better. So those are some great ideas to take advantage of the first part of the week. Set up a lemonade stand is day 15. Day 16, go to a splash pad or a pool. Day 17, have a family game night. These are things you can get done. They don't take that much effort to put into them. You can always do a Google search for a splash pad. the family game night. Like I said, if you don't have board games or card games, you can definitely look up something online and play in no time. You'll be playing a great game in about 10 minutes or so. Let us know which ones you're doing. Have you done any in the past, like days 1 through 14? Are you taking advantage of days 15, 16, and 17? Or what you're doing? If you have some other ideas you want to share, leave it in the comments. Share this with another mama. Remember, hit the bell for notifications. You can follow us on all social media at Mommas and Mannies. And I can't wait to hear what you are doing with your family or what ideas you are doing just on your own. I would love to hear that. And remember, me time is essential and it is never selfish. Have a great week, mamas. Summer fun.